Hi everyone, this is Rishleen, and today I want to show you that I have got a very beautiful stuff by Cuffs and Lashes, and you will really see that which is a very beautiful concealing pod, and I just love it. So this is the pod actually looks like, and it is by Cuffs and Lashes. This is in a shape of heart. You can see that this is a very cute heart shape packaging. So the packaging is also very good. I love the way they have packed everything. So this is the cherry cream. This is the cherry cream. It's having a cute little brush inside. I want to show you this. This is a cute brush with this cute pod, and it has got a double chamber to keep your brush safe and your cheek tint and lip tint safe, and it's completely travel friendly guys. मुझे ये बहुत ही it's a complete love for this. इसके बाद था मुझे ये रिसीव हुआ lip affair with jelly tint, which is in the shade mulberry. This is very cute. इसका बहुत ही आजकल बहुत आप देख रहे हो क्योंकि निधि कटियार्स having a birthday, so she is giving a good sale. She is giving a good discount by Cuffs and Lashes, and इसका जो shade है वो भी बहुत pretty shade है. This is very cute shade, and I just love that it's a very travel friendly. बहुत ही छोटू सा है, ट्रैवलिंग में आप ये इजीली ले जा सकते हो. बहुत ही क्यूट सी इसकी ये है. द कलर इज़ वेरी प्रिटी. आई विल शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स जब मैं इसको अप्लाई करूँगी. सो आई जस्ट लाइक दिस इट लुक्स. सो द पॉट इज़ very creamy. The consistency looks very nice. The packaging is also very sturdy. So I'm gonna take my PAC's Maestro blending brush. This is my PAC Maestro blending brush. I love this. It is in association with Sara and PAC. So this is the brush. It's very good for blending and concealing everything. So what I'll be doing, I will be taking directly because my spin prep has been done already. So what I'll be doing, I'll be just focusing in the mirror, and I'll be showing that I've taken this like on my brush like this. It's good. मैंने एक बारी में बहुत ज़्यादा ले लिया है, बट आप एक बारी में इतना ज़्यादा मत लेना. उसी ब्रश को ही मैं यहाँ से ही ट्रांसफ़र कर रही हूँ अपने इस आईलिड पे, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ले लिया है एक्साइटमेंट में. ओके, तो
थोड़ा सा और डैप करके अगर आप थोड़ा थोड़ा लगा के बिल्ड करते हो तो बहुत ही ब्राइटनिंग आपका वो लगेगा. अगर आपको इसके बाद भी कोई फाउंडेशन या कोई बीबी क्रीम की जरूरत लगती है तो आप कर सकते हो इसको भी यूज.
ये काफ़ी अच्छा बिल्डअप कवरेज भी दे रहा है, एज आई कैन सी. And Lashes very cute pod which you have given. I just love it. अब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी that okay, so I'm going to use their cutest heart shape this thing. So this is a very छोटू सा brush, and I'm just taking it. मुझे ना डर लगता है कि मैं कहीं खराब ना कर दूं. So I will be really giving me very flushy look, no doubt, and very healthy flush. I just love the color. Instantly giving me a very flushy kind of a look. A little bit I'm applying on my nose as well. Okay. So I'm blending it with my concealer so that it will look very natural. Stuff is really very cute. I just love this. I really like it. And now time for पसीना इतना ज़्यादा आ रहा है. So this is a very pretty shade. It has got a very cute shade. I just love plum, mauvish or these mulberry kind of tones. It's very nice. And it has got a very beautiful tint. After some time when it becomes dry, it leaves a very subtle tint on your lips. That's the thing. So in a way, if you want, you can use it for a little bit of, but quickly you can just top it over. See, I told you, look at the tint it has. Even after removing, the tint is there. So you need to build, you need to apply it very quickly to give a very flushy cheeks. And I really love it. I will be showing you. So this is a very pretty shade. Let me show you. Very peachy brown. It's a peachy brown, guys. You see? It's a peachy brown. It's a very cute brown. So you can top it up with a good liner, a dark liner, a coffee kind of a Bobbi Brown kind of a liner, and you can just simply apply this shade, this particular shade. Right now I can't apply because I'm already having this on my lips. So this is the color. Thank you, Cups and Lashes. I really love the products and I love the packaging. I have loved every thing that you have given. So this is something I'm trying to hold in my fingers like this. So thank you.